Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to change Binance nickname. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Tap Open Binance application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, tap on the human icon located at the upper left-hand corner from the main homepage of Binance. Now, tap on your name at the very top of the screen, and this will take you to a next page. Here right under My Profile, you'll be able to see your nickname, how it is displayed on your Binance account. In order to customize or change your nickname, tap on the Edit button right next to the current nickname. Now, in order to change your nickname, simply go ahead and erase the current nickname and type in the new one that you're trying to change to. Soon after you are done, tap the Save button at the bottom right-hand corner in yellow, and that way, as you can see that I've successfully changed my nickname for Binance. Now you can go back and see your nickname changed to something else. That was how you can easily change your nickname on Binance using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.